Hi, love bugs. This recording is to help you stop picking scabs on your head. And this is Steph. Remember to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. When you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Take in a nice deep breath, letting the oxygen flow into your body, beginning to relax you and bring you into this moment. Exhaling out any stress, any tension, any worry. Allowing your mind to take a break from thinking, from wondering, from exploring your thoughts, analyzing your life. Just taking a moment to relax. Breathing in, breathing out. Each breath helping you relax more and more, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now I want you to imagine that you're going to teach someone how to completely relax their body and their mind and come into this moment. So imagine that you're modeling to someone how to do this. You're teaching them how to breathe in and breathe out, how to send any unwanted thoughts away with your exhaling breath, focusing in on my voice and your breath. And now imagine there is a beautiful, calming light above you. And this light begins to flow as if it's a liquid relaxation. And it begins to flow down into your body, starting at your head, knowing that this liquid relaxation relaxes you deeply, taking you to an incredible level of relaxation. And as it flows down to the tips of your toes, it relaxes every cell, every nerve, every muscle, so you can feel peace and calmness. This liquid relaxation flows down your head, down the back of your head, down your forehead, your cheeks, your jaw, relaxing your jaw, unclenching, just relaxing. And this liquid relaxation flows down your neck, flowing down your back, relaxing every muscle in your back. You're doing so well. And this liquid relaxation flows down your arms, through your shoulders, down into your arms, all the way down to the tips of your fingers. Every cell, every muscle relaxed. You're noticing it's becoming easier for you to stay in this moment, to keep your focus on my voice. And this liquid relaxation is flowing through your entire torso. And you are going deeper and deeper down into relaxation. And now this liquid relaxation flows down through your pelvis, through your hips, down through your legs, relaxing you, releasing any tension, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Your entire body is completely relaxed. This liquid relaxation is flowing within you and all around you, allowing you to relax, to feel safe and calm, and to trust the process. And in a moment, I'm going to count down With each number, your level of relaxation will double. Want that to happen. Allow that to happen. 5, going deeper and deeper down into relaxation. 4, it feels so good to relax, to allow yourself a moment of peace and calmness, gifting yourself with relaxation. 3, relaxing more and more. 2, taking yourself to your deepest level of relaxation. 1, deeply, completely relaxed. Very well. Now it's important to remember that your mind knows the exact remedies you need to release the urge to pick the scabs on your head, so that you can feel healthy and feel confident with your body and the way you're handling stress. Your subconscious mind possesses an inner self-correcting system that is activating right now to realign you with how you want to handle stress, to move through stress and worry. You understand that you are making the choice to stop a behavior that is displeasing to you. So now I'm going to ask your subconscious to scan your body and help you release, remove, and resolve the cause, the beginning, the urge of wanting to pick the scabs on your head, to release you from that habit and to use your inner resources to help this be successfully accomplished for you. So I'm asking your subconscious to scan physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually to remove, release, and resolve this habit, this urge that you find is destructive, embarrassing, unpleasant. So just release it now. If you want to, you can imagine that you've gathered up the cause, the urge, the desire, the habit into your hands, and you are able to release this energy, release this behavior out, away from you, and you begin to see it float away, and as it floats away farther and farther, it becomes smaller and smaller and smaller until it disappears completely. It's gone. That habit is gone. It's a part of your past now, and you feel more confident and stronger. It feels as though you're starting a new life, determined to live each day to the fullest, honoring your inner strength, your motivation, your desire to honor how you handle stress, worry, boredom, doubt. And from this point forward, anytime you feel tension, the urge to pick at your head, you send the urge away with an exhaling breath. You allow yourself to change boredom into calmness, and you become more accepting of the calmness in your life, the peace. Doing things that help you release any stress, worry, self-doubt. Perhaps anytime you feel tension or stress, you take in a deep breath, holding it for a moment, and then exhaling it out completely. And you do that for a few times to reconnect you with calmness. You remind yourself that you are relaxed and in complete control. You remain calm, and you choose a different action for your hands. Perhaps you find yourself doing something that's very calming for you. Writing, drawing, playing with silly putty or Play-Doh. Maybe you find yourself dancing or moving your body in some other way. You understand that there's times in your life when your old habit used to be more present. And now you prepare yourself. You give your hands a new job to do. A job that is beneficial to you, that is supportive of you and your goal to release the need, the urge, the habit of picking scabs on your head. If you have animals, perhaps you play with them. Maybe you call a friend. Maybe you listen to something that brings you laughter and joy. You've done hard things in the past, so you know that when you set your mind to something, when you focus on an outcome that you want, you can do it. You achieve it. And this old habit of yours is just one more thing you overcome, you release from yourself. You have the ability to change your habits with focus and patience, remembering that every day, every time you stop your hand on its way to your head, that you're making progress. And this feels really good. And the people in your life notice the difference, and they tell you how good you look, how calm you are, how good it feels to be around you. So anytime your hand starts to move towards your head, you will clearly think, stop, and you will take a breath. From this moment forward, anytime you have the urge to pick at your head, you tell yourself to stop, and you take a breath, and you choose something that feels good, reminding yourself that your subconscious is releasing, removing, and resolving the cause, whatever started this urge, this habit, so that you can live free from it. So you honor the process, you trust the process, and you know that your subconscious holds the remedies, the resources that you need, and you remain in complete control. And you feel better every day, and every day it gets easier and easier and easier, and it gets easier and easier to make a new choice, to feel successful. And this feels really good. You have a history of being successful, and this is one more opportunity to show yourself, to use your skills, to show up for you in a way that feels good and that helps you complete this goal of yours. You have everything within you that you need. You pay attention. You're in this moment so you can catch your hand when it moves. When the old habit tries to sneak back in, you remind yourself, stop. I've released this behavior. That was the old me. The new me can take in a breath, can do something different with my hand. And this feels really empowering. So as you begin to step into this new version of yourself, take a moment and imagine that you're grounding yourself to the center of the earth. However you do this is just fine. And imagine that this cord or this light, whatever's connecting you to the center of the earth, is the same width of your body. And now imagine that your subconscious is releasing any remaining thoughts, urges to continue this habit of picking the scabs on your head. And your subconscious scans you for any remaining traces of this old habit of yours and releases them back into the earth. Just releases them to the earth. And the earth will recycle these urges for love and goodness for you to receive in the future. Very well. Now remember that you can say to yourself whenever you need to, you can say, I am relaxed. I am in control. I remain calm. I remain in control, and I release my stress. I release this urge. And I choose to do something else that feels really good. Very well. In a moment, I'm going to invite you back from this experience. You'll bring the confidence of releasing this old habit of yours, this destructive habit, knowing that instead you have the courage, the opportunity, the wisdom, and the self-control to make a different choice, to catch your hand as it moves towards your head and say, stop. What do I want to do in this moment? And then you make that choice. You take care of yourself in such a way that you release your stress and live in a state of calmness, of peace. 1, feeling returning to your fingers and toes. 2, all energies in complete balance. 3, knowing that you've released the limitations of your past, that this old habit has now been released, removed, and resolved. 4, you now handle your stress, your boredom, your calmness in a way that is uplifting and supportive of you, in a way that feels good. 5, eyes feeling as if they've been bathed in cool, clear water. 6, eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, re-energized, feeling confident that you've released your old habit and you now have the opportunity to create a more positive, uplifting habit that supports you and feels really good. Thank you for being here. Remember to like and subscribe.